What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I'm going to be revealing the one thing that you must do if you want to get rich selling life insurance. Now, if we haven't met yet, my name is Tim Schulker. I run the Life Insurance Sales channel where we put out free content on YouTube to help life insurance agents like yourself make six figures over the phone, working from home, or anywhere else in the world. I'm also one of the co-founders of Advanced Agent Marketing, a company where we help insurance agents generate their own leads and get pre-booked appointments so that they can make six figures selling life insurance. And I've been working with insurance agents, and I've been an insurance agent for the last 3.5 years, and consistently this one thing that I'm about to show you guys is the most determining factor as to if somebody actually sees success and makes money in this industry or does not, right? And that one thing is tracking your numbers. Now, before you click off and go watch Stephen A. Smith yell about, LeBron James or whatever you're about to go watch, pay attention here, because if you watch this whole video and you actually implement what I show you, no over-exaggeration or anything, this will literally change your life. So let me show you guys how this works. This is a sheet that I give to all of my clients and all of the agents that I work with, and I actually require that everybody fills this out, right? And the reason why is if you don't know your numbers, you're just basing every decision that you make off of a feeling, right? Oh, well, I feel like nobody's answering the phone. Well, that's just a feeling. Tell me what your answer rate is. Well, I close at I close about 50% of people that I talk to. I've heard that so many times. Yeah, if I can get somebody on the phone, they're going to buy every time. So, okay, well, what are the numbers? Show me your numbers. Nobody can show their numbers, and they're just everyone is just running around like a chicken with their head cut off, and they have no idea what they're doing. And then they try to make decisions and think that they're making money because their bank account is going up. But if you actually want to really get rich doing this and have a real business instead of just a hobby, you have to track your numbers, right? So here are the numbers that you need to know. You need to know how many leads you're getting, what you're spending on those leads, how many dials you make per day, how many answers you get, how many quotes you get from those answers, and then I'm going to show you guys how to track the rest of this. So basically what this sheet does is, I'm also going to give you guys a copy of this as well so that you can use it. It's going to show you all of your different statistics, right? So that you can really rate yourself as an agent and see how you're improving and see how your numbers are bearing out, again, so that you can make quality decisions and actually make money doing this. So I'm going to give you guys a link to make a copy of the sheet, but basically the way that this works is you're going to make a copy. You're going to come in here up top once this loads. Okay, and you're going to put your name right here. So let's just say my name was, Jim Bob or whatever. I'm going to put the date that I'm starting to track my numbers. So today is July 7th. I'll just put in July 7th and watch here. All of these dates are actually going to update over here, which is pretty cool. Then every day, at the end of the day, I'm just going to come in. I'm going to put how many leads I got, what I spent on leads, and then these other numbers here, right? So leads, you're just going to pull this directly from Facebook if you're generating your own leads, or if you're buying leads, you just put how many leads you got and then what you spent on those leads. You're going to put in how many dials that you made during that day, right? So let's say I made 400 dials that day, 40 people answered. You just tally mark whenever somebody answers. Quotes, you're going to put the amount of quotes that you get. Same thing, just keep a little notebook pad, and whenever you give a quote, just make a tally mark. And at the end of the day, you're going to put this in, right? What you're also going to do is whenever you make a sale, you're just going to come in here and put in your client's name, the date you made the sale, the annual premium, the day that the first payment is coming out, so it allows you to keep a better track of your clients. If the policy is approved, issue paid, or if it's a chargeback, the carrier you wrote it with, and your commission. And it's automatically going to calculate your 12-month commission, right? Your full 100% 12-month commission. And then also what you're going to get up front, your 9-month advance, right? So I'm going to go through here. I put in my policies. Let's say I sold this lady today, for example. And if I come back over to this tracker, it automatically updates how much AP I wrote, the amount of applications I wrote, my commission, and it'll actually calculate my profit for me. It'll tell me how much I'm making in profit. It'll tell me my answer rate, my dials per sale, and all of that. So let's say you start doing this consistently, right? And, over the course of time, this just starts to build up. And, 40 answers, 7 quotes. Let's say I didn't write a policy, and you track this over the course of time. And all you have to do is you just do this each and every single day. If If you go over here to weekly, it's actually going to automatically calculate all of your stats on a weekly basis. So I can look here, the week of the 28th, or the 28th week of 2024. I got 57 leads. I spent $200. I made $800. I got 80 answers. I gave 15 quotes. I wrote $14.90 in AP. This was my total commission. This is how much commission I got advance. And this was my profit for the week. And then I can see my answer rate for the week, my dials per sale, which is a super important number that you want to know, my closing percentage, my premium per lead, and my average policy size, right? You can also look at the same thing on a monthly basis, and this all is automatically calculated for you guys, right? Now, I'm going to give you guys this exact sheet under one condition. Do you actually promise to use it? Because if you download the sheet and then you don't use it and you have no idea what your numbers are, then you just wasted the time watching this video and you should have just gone and watched Stephen A. Smith yell at a TV for 15 minutes. But download the sheet, actually track your numbers, and then whenever you have an issue, you can look at your number sheet and see what the bottleneck is. If it's an issue with your sales process, if you have a lead quality issue, if you have a chargeback issue, you can figure out what problem you need to solve and then solve it as long as you track your numbers. So that's my 7-minute soapbox for the day. Link is going to be down below to download this number tracking sheet. Make sure you use it, and let me know if this was helpful in the comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you guys want us to personally coach you, right, we do this for all of our clients. They share their number tracking sheet with us, and we actually take a look at it on a weekly basis to see how they can improve and make more money in their business. That's our coaching program. If you want to learn more about that, click the link down below in the description as well, and I will see you guys there. Take care.